How to update software on Audi Q7. Updating the software on your Audi Q7 ensures better performance and improved features. Regular updates fix bugs, enhance infotainment, and improve connectivity functions. This guide explains safe and easy ways to update your Audi Q7 software. Preparing for the update. Park your Audi Q7 in a safe, well-ventilated area and turn on the ignition without starting the engine. Ensure the vehicle's battery is fully charged or connect a charger to prevent power loss. Check your Wi-Fi connection or mobile data for smooth download during the update. Checking the current software version. Access your MMI, multimedia interface, and go to Settings System Information. Note the current software version displayed on the screen for reference. Visit the official Audi website or use the My Audi app to check if a new update is available. Updating through over-the-air (OTA) method. Connect your Audi Q7 to a secure Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. If an update is available, follow the on-screen prompts to download and install. Keep the engine running or ignition on during the entire process to avoid interruption. Updating through USB drive. Download the latest software update for your Q7 from Audi's official support website. Save the update file on a clean USB drive formatted to FAT32. Insert the USB into your vehicle's port, and follow the MMI prompts to begin installation. Dealer-assisted software update. If the update is not available online or requires expert handling, visit an authorized Audi service center. Certified technicians will perform diagnostics, install the latest updates, and verify system functionality. This method ensures all control units and safety systems are correctly synchronized. Post-update checks. Once completed, restart the MMI and verify the new software version. Test key systems such as navigation, Bluetooth, and parking sensors to ensure proper operation. If you notice any irregularities, contact your Audi service advisor for assistance. Conclusion. Regular software updates enhance your Audi Q7's performance, safety, and user experience. Always follow official update methods to prevent damage or data loss. Keeping your Audi software up to date ensures your vehicle performs at its best.